Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 22nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold actually did end up continuing back down, which is actually pretty common. Kind of a slow day overall for the dollar, but it is Monday. To me, it actually looks very, very clearly to be 5 waves down. And looking at other dollar pairs, I still think that, especially because we did break structure, but so far it's kind of rejecting structure, I think there's a pretty good chance it's going to go up and at least take out that structure right there. If it does take out that structure right there, then I would definitely turn into a buyer and I would start looking for buys at the end of pullbacks. If it doesn't go up and break this structure right here, then I would actually continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. But with the clear 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5 pattern that we have here, I think it's a pretty good chance that it will break to the upside, and it definitely looks like it is rejecting the structure level over here, which would have turned me into a long-term seller. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.